Good day! Welcome to ITE 308 Web System and Technologies. Lesson title: Web Page Layout and Design. Lesson objectives: at the end of this module, students should be able to 1. Explain different techniques of web page design. 2. Create websites with various designs and layouts. We have a student activity sheet for the materials, and we will be using a 000 web host code editor, and these are our reference. For the productivity tip, treat each web page as an opportunity to showcase your design layout skills. But before we proceed, I have prepared the checking active students. Guess me, 1 up to 10. You can check the answers along the video. Number 1, the answer is 1. Okay, for the main lesson or the lesson preview, a good website design depends on good web page layout, and adding a sleek CSS would definitely make an amazing website. To be able to achieve a good layout, you need to be familiar first to common web page parts. Almost all websites can be ripped into these parts. What are those parts? We have header, navigation and menu, the content, and then the footer. For the activity 1, what I know chart. Kindly answer the questions based on your prior knowledge. What is layout? 2. Why is it important to lay out and design web pages? Number 3. What websites do you think are with simple layouts or complex layout? For the main lesson, activity 2 content notes. For the web page parts, we have header. Let's talk about header. Is the topmost part of the web page. It is the face of the website. It usually holds the banner or the logo of the organization, company, or individual owning the website. So it is the header that we can check in the upper part of the website. Navigation or menu holds the clickable links that redirects to other web pages of the website. It is usually on the side of the content, but may also be on the top, just below the header, and arranged horizontally. At the main offerings of the web page are presented on the content area. Window, it is usually on the center and usually scrollable to support large volumes of information. Lastly, we have footer. It's located at the bottom of a web page. It holds the additional information like settings, contact numbers, and addresses, and also more links like owner's website, Facebook, or Instagram account links. Ways to lay out a web page. There are various ways and strategies emerging to do web page layout, but we will be trying 3 of the most common ways. So we have using a table content. Next one, we have using division elements, and the third one, we have using semantic tags for the layout. For the website design using table, One of the first method developers used was treating the whole web page as a table and using attributes. We have col span and the row span to manage sizes and position of each part defined by a cell or a table data element. Also, take note that we use CSS, thus we add ID to each element we are using. Okay, guess me. Number 2, the answer is 1. Okay. Now, to practice, go to your 000 web host account and then let us check our current page or web page based on our previous modules that was able to discuss. We have here our current page. Now, to add another one, let us go to your file manager. In tools and upload files. Let us add another link for our index.html. Okay, inside the module folder in our file manager, let us add this file and then save. Let's check the okay. Change this one as 12 then save. Refresh. Okay, if we check this one, we're not able to locate the file. Let us create a file for module 12. Let's go to the module, then let us create module 12. New file, paste this one, then create. Then before that, let's copy the syntax. We have here now what we call module 12. So the name of the file is module 12.html as our title. Then the location is, we are now in the module folder. So to retrieve the style sheet, we need to go out. Okay, go out in this module folder. Then outside the module folder, we will be locating a what we call style sheet folder, and then the file. But we will be using external style sheet. So let's save and then let's check. Okay, module 12. Now in module 12, let us create links here. For our topic. So our topic is website design using table. So let us make this as an header 3, and then let us put it in hyperlink href. The location is we will be creating a content folder in the inside in the public folder. So we are now in the module. We will be going out to the module folder, and we will be creating a content folder, and then the name of the file will be this one. Let's add underscore. Website design using table .html. Let's copy this one. Let's save, and then let's refresh this one. We forgot the F, save, and then refresh. If we check this link, okay, page not found. Okay, so let's create this file inside the content folder. We will be creating folder name content, and then inside the content we will be creating the file, this one, then create. Okay, we have successfully created the file. Let's copy the syntax. Content. Delete this one and this one. Let's leave as default. Then the style sheet of this website or website design is let's create another one. Style sheet, okay, M12 underscore style sheet. M12 content. Don't forget this one because we will be creating a style sheet. Name M12 underscore content underscore style sheet.css. Copy and save. After that, let's refresh the module 12. So let us check this website design using table. Okay, we have successfully created a content for website design using table. Let us go to the style sheet, and then we will be creating a new file, new, and this is the name of the file. Let's try to link the style sheet.css into our website design using table. And then let us refresh. I think we need to check our code. The background color is red. To save, and then let's go to the content. So this website design using HTML.table is inside the content. Let us go out in the content. This is the code, and then once is now in the outside of the content folder, the code will be retrieving the style sheet folder. Then inside the style sheet folder is the file. Let us save and then refresh. So the answer is this one. Okay, so we have successfully linked the style sheet. Now let us edit the website design using table. Again, in our home page we have module 12. Then in the module 12 HTML we have this topic, website design using table. Okay. Let us edit now the website design using the provided topic. Let us edit the color in style sheet. And let us refresh. Okay. Let us now add the code. We have a table, then we have the TR or table row. Inside the table row we have table data, and let us add the following links. Link 1, link 3, link 4, we have link 5, and then link 6. We have successfully added the links. Let us save and then refresh. Okay. So as you notice, the file is not found or missing yet. Let us add a what we call let's put this inside the table data. Table data, and then in the upper part we need to add another one, table data. Let us include the H2 header, and then we have headers. Then let us include the ID. The ID is head. This is similar to the class. We have head. Let us include a cell padding and then cell spacing inside the table as an attribute. Cell padding. This is now an inline CSS. To directly label the table. Cell spacing. So for the cell padding we have 10. In the cell spacing we have 0. Let us save. Okay. Next one, let us add in the table data in the head we have call span equals to 2. And save. Okay. If we make it aspire, then save. Let's return it to 2. Okay. link1.html. It does include a file. We have link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry. It should not be here. Three, 4, 5, 6, and then save. Okay, when we click this one, okay, page not found because it is not yet created. Now let us create a footer. tr, then table data. Let's label this one as a footer. Then the ID is equals to footer. So the ID of this one is head. Then we have footer. So then the call span is equals to 2. Let us not forget the ID of the content. We have footer, we have content, we have head. Sorry, this is or navigation or navi. Another one, let us add a content, tr, then table data. So in table data, which is our content, we have h1, content, and for the paragraph we have sample text. This one is we have ID is equals to content. Save. Then let us review our HTML codes. So you have here table, this is our table. Then inside the table we have one table row for header or for the head, and then one table row for the navigation, then table row for content and table row for footer. Then save. Don't forget to label the ID, footer, content, and then the navigation or navi, then the head. Let us save and then refresh. Okay, so here the header, the content, the navigation, then the footer. All span. Now, in the style sheet for the web page, okay, we will be designing this HTML website design using table, okay, in the M12 content, that's style sheet. Okay, so let us save this one and then let us locate our style sheet, this one, M12. So the body is the background color is this one. Let us add the font family. We have Arial, then Helvetica, then also we have sans serif, another one we have margin equals to 0, then auto. Let us save and then refresh. Okay, so we have successfully edited the margin. Okay, in our table, let us edit the width of the table is equals to 100%. Then border is equals to 0. But when we add as 1, let's see the result. Okay, so let's use this one as 0 as our table. Then For the head, we use instead of that, which is referring to the class in ID, okay, we are using the number sign, the head. Okay, this one. We will be designing this head. We have background color, valley, let's try to save and then refresh. So this is now the head, regardless of this one, because this is our topic. So we have head, and then another one, text align, equals to center. Save and then refresh. Okay, so we have successfully put the header in the center. Next one, the height. At 80 px, and then for the font size we have 40 px, and then for the color we have white, and then the padding equals to 40 px. Save and then refresh. So only the header will be affected. So this is now our header. I think we need to include this one. Able. Let's cut. Let us transfer this one into the content instead of sample text. Let's use H3 and then refresh. Okay, so we have successfully transfer okay. Anyway, for the guess me number 3, the answer is 1. Okay, let's go back. Let us now edit the H2. For the H2, we have this margin equals to 0. So anything that is labeled as H2 will be will have a margin of 0. So which is the this one. The H2 header and the rest of the content. For the navigation, let us add anyway, let us put this one as a style sheet for this one. Save. That is only comment for easily recognizing our code. Now let us edit the navigation, this one. Okay, the ID. We need to edit the float as left. So let's see the result for the float. Okay, it is in the left side, but when we put this one as right, save and then refresh. Okay, so see the difference. So let's put this one as left. Then we have width, we have 65%, that is referring to the width, okay, in the table data of navigation. So let us save and then let's see the result. So you cannot see that unless otherwise we finish our codes. For the background, we have white, then color is then height is 1 is 380 px. Padding, we are 2.5%. We have float is equals to left, With 65% background color is equals to white. Color we have poly violet red, and then height 380 px. Padding we have 2.5%. Okay, and then refresh. This is only affects the navigation. Okay. Let us check this one. How about to put this one as 0, as 2%. Wait, 2.5%, and then end statement. We forget the end statement. Refresh. Okay. So let's see the result later. For the content, we need to edit the content. We use the content. This one. So this includes this one, including our text. Let us edit the content. Style sheet, we have float is equals to left. Then we have width is equals to 65%. Then background color is equals to white, and color is equals to violet red. Then the height 380 px, and padding is equals to 2.5%. Guess me, number 4, the answer is X. Okay, for the content, we have float is equals to left, width we have 65%, background color we have white, color violet red, and then height 380 px, padding we have 2.5%. Let us save and then refresh for the content. So this is now our content. I think we need to change this one, color picker. Okay, this one. For the content, and save, and refresh. Okay, so this is our content, this is our links, and our header. And then for our footer, we have footer. We will be editing this table data or table row. For the footer, we have background, color, first two, Ali, violet, text is equals to text align, center, in color we have white, width 100%, and then height we have 50 px. Now let us save and refresh. Okay, so this is now our footer, then the header, our content, and then our navigation. Okay, as you can see, that is because of the percentage. Okay, let's proceed for our next topic. So we have already begun with the website design using table, including the HTML and then the CSS. Also, let us go to the website design using divisions. The most common way to manage web page layout is by using divisions. Imagine a newspaper. Each news features is a chunk of information. We would include a box known as division and defined by division tag or element. In comparing to the table, above each row or TR and cell table data tag will be converted into division. As you can see here in the HTML file, we have a table data. Okay, we have table and table row. This will be converted as division, then table row. So the arrangement will be check the division, navigation, and content are inside the division section. Okay, so as you can see, this one, okay, this is our target design or layout. Please take note that division section, navigation, and content are related, thus the CSS must also be related specifically with size attributes like height, width, margin, padding, etc. You may also experiment on this for better understanding. Plus, the attribute float must be included to avoid overlapping of this division. The source code for the web page layout on division is below. Okay, so let us edit now. Let us add what we call is there any problem here? Okay, nothing to worry. So let us create another file, or in our module 12, let us add another file here. We have so we need to add website design using division. Okay, it is in the same folder, which is in the content folder. So, and then okay, let us save and then refresh. The module 12. Okay, let us go back to the home page, then module 12. Okay, in module 12 we have second topic, website design using division. When we click this one, okay, nothing will be found, so later we will be creating another one. So this is our previous topic. Okay, next one we have to edit the content. We will be creating another file using division .html. Then create. Okay, let us copy the syntax and then delete the content. Let us add a header. Again, we will be using the same style sheet, okay, for module 12 in website design using division. So save and then refresh. Refresh this one. Okay, website design using division. Let us edit. Let us remove the taggings so that it will not be read by the compiler. Save and then refresh. Okay. So this is our target. We will be creating division for our content. So this division is head ID is equals to head. Then another division for section, and then inside that we have another one, another division, which is the nabi. I think we need to include this one as 2, and then 2, and then 2, so that it will not be the same as in our previous topic. So head 2, then section 2, navigation 2, and then another one. This is for content. And lastly, the footer. Okay. So footer 2. We have head, we have section, inside the section we have a navigation, then we have a division for content and division for footer. Okay, so let us now save. And then anyways, let us add a text. Inside the head, we have H2. We have header, and then let us add the navigation. Let us include list item. List item for a hyperlink. We have link 1, href, then the file is link 1 .html. Copy, then paste. Link 2, another one, tab 3, another one. We have 5, and then 6. Okay, let us save and then check. Okay. We have head and then the navigation. Now in the content, let us just transfer this one, cut, and then put it inside the content. Okay, and then save. Let's see the result. Okay, we have now a header, navigation, then the content. Lastly, we need to add a footer. So we have P, footer, and save, and then refresh. Okay, this one. Now in our CSS, so we need to edit this one. So the table and the body of the M12 content style sheet, also designing this website. Okay. Style sheet. Style sheet 4. Save. Let us now design the head. We have head 2, referring to this head. Okay. We have background Yeah, body text align, have center, then the height, we have ETPX, font size, px, color is white, and then padding equals to 40 px. Save and then refresh to check the output in header. Okay, it is the same design for the previous topic. H2 we have margin is equals to 0. All H2 in this file will be designed by the margin is equals to 0 of H2. Then we have sec2 we have width is equals to 100% and height is equals to 380 px. Another one normal. Okay, so that's it. Next one we have the navi. We have float is equals to left. Next one we have width is equals to 25%. Height we have 380 px. Background color is equals to lavender, and then we have the padding equals to 2.5%. Save and then refresh. Okay, so we have now our navigation. Also in our content we have float is equals to left float. Then we have width is equals to 65%. Background color is equals to white, and then color violet, then the height we have 380 px, and then the padding shows a 2.5%. Save and then refresh. Okay. Content 2. Save and then refresh. Yeah, content 2. Content 2. Let's check. Okay, wrong spelling. Save. The background color is white. Save. Okay, so we are able to include this one. What if we put this one as right and then refresh? So our target is to put like this. So let's see. Let us finish the footer. Footer 2. We have load equals to left, and then background color equals to then text align is equals to center. The text align then the width 100%, then the height 50 px. Let us save and then refresh. Okay, this is now our footer, but our problem is to put this one in this part. Okay, so this is now your challenge to put this in the upper part of this section. How do we able to put this content in this part? Put this one. Let's try to put this. Let's try to edit this one to determine which is wrong. Okay, so I think we need to edit the section. We have section here. us comment this one. Okay, so we remove the section to make our website in the upper part. Okay, this is now our website design using divisions. Okay, so let's proceed to the other topic. Okay, guess me number 5. The answer is X. Let's go to the module. Then in module 12 we need to add another topic. Okay, another topic is website design using semantic tags. Okay, we have header, navigation section, article, a site and footer. I think they're wrong in my codes. Wait. Anyway, let us go back to the question, because this is under in division, is blue. Module 12. Yeah, content. Then division. I think we need to add this one. Let's try to put this and division right here. Okay, navigation and content, then save, and then let us enable the okay, so nothing's wrong now. So our error is to put the section, okay, the navigation, then the content inside the section. Okay, so now let us proceed to the next topic. Module 12, we need to add another topic. So the next topic is website design using semantic tags. Okay, another one. then save. Okay, then refresh. Oops. We haven't added yet. If the tags, save, and then refresh. Oops. Okay, then this link is not found. Now let us create a file inside the content. We need to add new file, and this is the name. Tags.html. Then save. Then let us copy the syntax and then delete the content. Okay, and then edit the body as semantic tags. Okay, so same, we are in the content. We'll be going out to the content and then retrieving the style sheet folder, and then the style sheet of this HTML file is this one. Okay, then save, and then let us check. Style sheet for try body tag semantic tags. Okay. Oops. Okay, so we have successfully retrieving the style sheet of this HTML file. Now let's go to the website design using semantic tags.html. So h2 have this save, refresh. Let's copy this one. Save. And then refresh. Oops. So let's copy this. Alright. Okay, let's discuss the website design using semantic tags. It has been discussed and debated on several occasions that it is a bad practice to use element as an alternative techniques to solve a problem that is totally not described as the element's purpose. Take for an instance the table element used as a layout tag and not a data grid tag. This concerns, although most web developers are actually fine with it. W3C now offers semantic tags exclusively for this purpose. Imagine a personalized division for header. You can now use the header element instead of division element with ID for header. Below are the other semantic tags illustrated and described by the w3schools.com. Okay, so we have here header, navigation, section, article, aside, and footer. So let us now discuss. So let us include this topic. Section. article. We will be using this one later as our content. Aside. Footer. And then we have details. Then we have summary. Okay. Next one. We have this topic. Okay, for the navigation, defines a header for a document section. Then for the nav, defines a set of navigation links. For the section, we have defines a section in a document. An article, we have it defines with an independent self-contained content. Then the aside, we have defines content aside from the content, like sidebar. Also, we have footer, defines a footer for a document or section. Details, we have it defines a footer for a document or section, and close on demand. Also, we have a summary, defines a heading for the section. Then details the corresponding code with semantic tags. Let us fix the design. Okay, so let us now edit the what we call this section. We have here a section or header first. Header. Then we have section. So inside the section we have navigation. And then we have content. Okay, next one is our footer. Okay, so we have header, we have section, then inside the section we have navigation, we have content, then we have also a footer. Let us include an ID. Header 3. Yeah, ID. Section 3. Let us put to be recognized later as nav3. Content ID is equals to content 3, footer 3. Okay, so for the header we have H2, and then for the navigation we have unordered list UL. Okay, and then we have list of item, and then href. Okay, and then link 1. I need to edit this one as link 1.html. So edit this one as 2. As 3. Then 4, then 5, and 6. Okay, save, and then let's check. Okay, again, this is now our header, then our navigation. See, for the content, okay, all we need to do is to copy and paste this one, cut, and paste this. Save for our sample content. Okay, so we have here header, navigation, then the content. Okay, next one, let us edit. Include content label, save, and then we have for the footer we have P, and then let us label this one as a footer. Save, then refresh. Okay, so header, navigation, content, and then footer. Let us edit the again this website design using semantic tags.html. Okay, the style sheet is from style sheet and then M12 content, style sheet.css. This one, all we need to do, okay, is to edit again the body tags. Okay, this is the body. Then let us add font size or font family. Font family is Arial and Helvetica. Then comma sans zero. It is a shorthand style sheet. Then margin, there's the 0. Then we have auto. Also, let us design the header tree. Header tree, we have background color equals to early violet red. Text align equals to center. Height 80px. Font size, we have 40px. Color equals to white. Then we have padding. Padding equals to 40px. Let us edit or save, then refresh. Okay, so this is now our header. Then for the H2, have margin is equals to 0, and then for section, section 3, referring to this so you have sec 3, so we have sec 3, okay, sec 3, we have width is equals to 100%, and then height is equals to 380 px. And that is our section 3. Save and then refresh. Okay, so let us add the background color so that we can determine which part of the web page is the section. Save and then refresh. Okay, so this part is now the section. Okay, so later we'll be removing that. So let us edit now the navigation. We have hashtag and then nav3. Okay, and then we have float equals to left, and then we have page equals to 25% of the web page, and then height we have 380 px, and then background color is equals to, sorry, it is only a background, lavender, and then we have padding is equals to 2.5%. Save and then refresh. Let's see the difference. Okay, this is now the navigation, and then for the content, let's see, we have hashtag and then content 3 referring to this. Okay, let us edit the content 3. We have float equals to left, and then width is equals to 65%, and then background color is equals to white, and then color is equals to violet, and then height we have 380 px, and then the padding 2.5%. Okay, that is for the content, and let's see the result. Alright, I think we need to add another height for that. Let's use this one, is 5. This one is 5. Save. Oops. Let's make it as 30. 630 for the content and navigation. Okay. Next one. We need to edit the footer. Footer 3. We are referring to this. Okay. Save. Float is equals to left, and then we have background color equals to and then we have text align to center, and then color equals to white, and then we have width 100%, and then for the height we have 50 px. Save, and then refresh. Okay, so we have successfully edited the header, the navigation, the content, and then the footer. For the website design using semantic tags. Okay. Okay, so the answer in number 6, we have number 6 is X. Okay, The answer in number 6, guess me, is X. Let us go back to this module and let's proceed discussing this. We have styling links. To finish your website design, consider managing links and links. Unlike other elements, links have defined styles or style. Blue colored text with an underline, but you can also change these to complement the overall design of the web page. The most common is to change the text color by color, and then taking away the underline by using text decoration. Okay, removing, okay, then taking away the underline by using text color, text decoration, and assigning the value as none to the CSS would be. So we have here an example. We have A, color is red, and then text decoration is none. Also, you may add a padding, alignment, background color, and display to the link to make it appear like a button. For example, we have A, background color, poly-violet red, and then color is white, padding is 12px and 24px. Text align center, text decoration is none, and then display inline as black. Finally, you may also adjust all the mentioned attributes to the links state. w3schools.com identify this state as the following. We have A, link, and then and normal unvisited link. A, visited, a link the user has visited, and then A, hover, a link when the user's mouses over it, and then A, active, a link the moment it is clicked. So if you want the link to change color when the user hovering the code, would be, okay, this one. Okay, so let's dive to this example for the styling links. Okay, this one. Let us include this one. In this part. Okay. So in the content, disregard this one. We need to add a H2. So style. And then P. Okay, then refresh. I think we need to add another person for this. Let's see. Okay. let us make this as 1000 px, just to include okay. For the styling links, let us edit the links. Okay, styling links. Okay, let's see. So we have A for A, color is red, and then we have text, text decoration as none. Okay, so before I save this one, let's see. As you can see, there is a what they call underline, and then this color blue. Let us save. Save, and then refresh. Okay, so the color of the link is red, and then the text decoration, which is the underline, was removed. Okay, let us include this one. Other one, yeah, E, also you may adding then this one. You may add padding, alignment, background color, and display to the link to make it appear like a button. Okay, so save, and then let's see another one. Let us add background color equals to body violet, and then change this one as white, and then padding is equals to 12px. Guess me, number 7 is 1. Guess me, number 7, the answer is 1. Okay, 12px, and we have 24px. Text align equals to center, then text decoration, okay, text decoration is none, and then text display or display equals to inline black. So let's see, save and then refresh. So this is now our links. I think we need to remove the bullets here. The bullets, the unordered list. In the hyperlink. Save. And let us include PR. And save. Okay. Let's proceed. Finally, you may also adjust. Okay, this one. You may also adjust all the mentioned attributes to the links. State w3schools.com identified this state as the following. Okay. So let us include this one in our topic. B, paragraph. Let's add, it is an unordered list or list of items. So let's try to save and refresh. Okay. Yeah. Poor. Okay. We need to include inside the bold the topic A is to visited, A over, then A active, so a normal, unvisited link, a link the user has visited. Next one, we have a link when the user mouses over it, and then we have a link the moment it is click. Let us include the paragraph, then save, refresh the content. Let's fix it. Let's fix this one. Let's remove the paragraph. Paragraph is not included. Next one, we need to edit the hyperlink. So the link, and then link. Background, color, and then we have color is equals to white. We have padding is also equal to px. And before px, have text align equals to center, and text decoration equals to none. Text decoration. None. Then display is equals to inline. Inline block. Let's check. Save. Again, a link, a normal unvisited link. Save and done. Refresh. Let's copy this one. Okay. Okay, next one we have a hover. Background color is lavender. Save. So let's see what will happen. Anyway, let us check our code. We need to add let's see how we can retrieve the okay, let's finish this one first. we have link and then hover. Save. Okay, so we are able to hover. When we hover, it turns into red. Okay. Lavender. Save and then refresh. So it's better to have a red, I think. Okay, and then let's reduce the height. Set the brush. Okay. Okay, for the activity 3, skill building, write true if the statement is true, write T if the statement is true, and F if the statement is false. Division is a semantic element, true or false. So the answer is false. The navigation usually holds the website's logo and banner. So it is false because the header holds the banner. Three, the use of semantic tags serves the literal meaning of these new elements. So it's true. A division element can hold in multiple division elements inside it. It's true again. And then multiple slices or divisions requires a consideration on size related attributes. So it's true. For the skill building, okay, so disregard this one. We have separate discussion for this, but you will be coding like this in your module activity sheet. So disregard this one. Okay, so you need to follow the what we call the format of our website. We have home page here. Okay, we have module 10, 11, and 12. When we click the module 10, okay, so this will be the site will be retrieving, and then in module 11, okay, and next one we have module 12. So in module 12 we have these links: website design using table, okay, and then website design using division, okay, and then website design using semantic tags, okay. So anyway, the answer in our guess me number 8 is 0, number 9 0, and number 10 is 1. Okay, so that is our guess me answers. So that's the end of our module number 12. Thank you so much everyone, and have a nice day.